Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to share Instagram profile link. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, I'm going to open my Instagram profile. So I'm going to click on this profile button to go to my Instagram profile. Okay, and this is my profile, and if we want to share our Instagram profile link, we just need to click on this share profile option right here. Just click on it, and here you will be able to share your Instagram profile link. You just need to click on the share profile, or you can also click on copy link to copy the link of your Instagram profile. And here I'm just going to click on the share profile, and we can share this profile with WhatsApp or maybe Telegram. It's up to you. You can choose it as you want. And I guess that's how we can share Instagram profile link. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.